and scissor and 4 rock turn, 6 and sweep, weave and sweep, sweep, rock and mambo hitch, step half full, diamond left, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 mambo curve and coaster, sweep, cross half sweep, cross quarter sway, sway, mambo and step, cross, sway, sway to start again. Wall number 2, 6 o'clock, weight is on left foot, 7, 8, side 1, 2 and scissor and 4 and rock, turn and sweep, weave and sweep, sweep, mambo and quarter hitch, half turn full, turn and diamond, 2 and 3 rock, 4 and 5, 6 mambo 7 and coaster sweep, cross half sweep, cross quarter sway, sway, rock and side cross stack, 2 and side touch, ball cross side, second tack, second tack. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Yeah? One more time, wall 2 with second tack, then music. Here we go. Face 6 o'clock, weight is on left foot. 7, 8, side 1, 2 and scissor and 4 rock turn, 6 and sweep, weave, 8 and sweep, 2 rock, 3 mambo, 4 and hitch, half turn full, 8 and diamond, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 mambo 7 and coaster sweep, cross half sweep, cross quarter sway, sway rock 7 and 8 tack, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and start again. Yeah? 7, 8 and scissor, rock and turn, and sweep, weave, sweep, rock, mambo quarter hitch, half and full, diamond, 2 and 3 and 4 and turn, 6, mambo coaster sweep, cross half sweep, cross quarter sway, sway, mambo and side tack. Start again. 2 and scissor, 4 rock turn, 6 and sweep, weave and sweep, rock, mambo hitch, half and full, diamond left, 2 and 3 and 4 and turn, 6, mambo coaster, sweep, cross half sweep, sway, 7 and tack, step touch, and start again. Scissor, rock and turns, sweep weave, rock mambo hitch, half and fulls, diamond, 2 and 3 and 4 and turn, mambo coaster, sweep, cross half sweep, cross quarter sway, sway, 7 and 8 and stop, scissor, weave, sweep, rock mambo hitch, diamond, mambo coaster, sweep, sway, starter, scissor, turn, sweep, weave, rock mambo, half full, diamond, mambo, coaster, half sweep, quarter sway, mambo, start again, scissor, turn a sweep weave, Don't stop. Beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for Mr.